Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Matt Donaghue with Mission Financial Planners, and this is our weekly market update. It's middle of April. Taxes are due this week. It's been a wild ride in the markets so far this year. Let's unpack what's really happened year to date and what it's going to mean, or what it does mean for your financial future. First quarter going into the first couple weeks of April has given us a financial whiplash in full force. S&P 500 dropped over 12% in just 4 trading days after the administration announced aggressive new tariffs. Then, just as quickly, markets reversed course and rallied nearly 10% in a single day after most countries were exempted from those tariffs. So that was the biggest one-day gain since 2008. So big loss, big gain. But it wasn't just stocks and equities that saw this whiplash effect. Bond yields moved nearly 70 basis points round trip over the course of the week as well. So it was a crazy week last week for the markets. The takeaway is volatility like this. It isn't just noise. It's a stress test. It's a stress test for your plan. It's a stress test for your behavior and for your convictions as an investor. So when markets are this jumpy, it's tempting to move everything into cash or gold or something like that and just wait it out. But the data says don't do it. If we go back over the last 30 years, a diversified portfolio that has 60% in stocks, 40% in bonds beats cash in 64% of all 1-month rolling periods, 91% of all 10-year periods, and 100%, yes, every single time, of all 13-year periods or longer. That's why staying invested matters. What does selling out during uncertainty do for you? It locks in losses, but staying invested, it gives your portfolio the chance to recover and grow. And when in doubt, as you all know, I lean into a bit of Stoic wisdom. The philosopher Seneca said, "It's better to produce the balance sheet of your own life than that of the grain market." So, in other words, stop obsessing over what you can't control. Focus on your values, your goals, and your long-term vision. Markets come and go; they go up and down, but your why you're invested should stay steady. Now, as a quick reminder, we're down to the wire on tax season. If you're not ready to file, get your extensions in. But just remember, an extension gives you more time to file, but not more time to pay. If you owe taxes, pay what you can now to avoid penalties. You can also request a payment plan using IRS Form 9465 or apply for relief if you're experiencing a hardship using Form 1127. The bottom line is don't ignore it. Take the small steps now, and your future self will thank you for that later on down the road. Social Security is a focus for us this month. There's been a lot of talk about Social Security so far this year as well. Quarter one brought a whole bunch of changes to Social Security. So in January, we saw the Social Security Fairness Act, which officially repealed the windfall elimination provision and the government pension offset, which means if you're a teacher, a firefighter, a public servant, this could mean more to your monthly benefit. You want to give us a call at 888-339-0093 and see what this could mean for you. At the same time, the Social Security Administration is consolidating offices and automating decisions using artificial intelligence. That could mean longer wait times and fewer human touch points. And yes, there was a real data privacy scare involving access to Social Security files. So please lock down your My SSA account with two-factor authentication. And of course, despite all the noise, you might still be wondering, is Social Security going bankrupt? It is not, and it will need, however, reforms to stay fully funded past the 2030s. That is why your personal financial planning matters much more than ever. So here's my challenge for you this week. And if you want any help with this, let us know. Review your allocations, file your taxes, or get your extension. Check and confirm and secure your Social Security data, and revisit your own balance sheet, not just your financial one, but your personal one as well. And that's because Seneca had it right. The inner portfolio matters just as much as the outer portfolio. Thanks for watching. Reach out if you want to take some action. Feel free to give us a call, 888-339-0093. You can always go to our website, missionfinancialplanners.com. You can also email us, admin@mfplanners.com. We're ready to help. We're ready to help you do those reviews. So until next time, stay calm, stay invested, and keep moving forward. Have a great week, everyone.